Hi there techies. So today we will be learning about factory design pattern through a notification service example. So before we dive into the factory design pattern code, let's start with this simple example. So in this we have email notification service class, SMS class, and a push notification service class. And when we have a common class called notification service, through which we can get the desired notification service based on the type we provide, the client provides. So here we have an email, SMS, and push. So now if the client wants an email service, he will simply call it and get the service of his type. So now what's the problem in this code is, like, suppose if we wanna introduce a push notification, app notification service in future, we have to edit this notification service class that we have given to the client. And now this system is tightly coupled. So by extending it, by editing it, it violates the open and close principle. So now let's move to the factory design pattern. So how this pattern works is, like, we have an interface for the products. The products, you can think of products as the notification service class and the push notification. All these are products and they have a common interface. So we can name that common interface as notification. All right. So that they all will implement that notification interface. So that's the product, and these will be the products of that, the notification service and the push notification service. And for the creation of these products, we have a factory interface. We have a factory, and that factory is created for each of these products. So we will be having a email notification factory, we will be having a push notification factory, and all of these factories will implement another factory interface. All right. So that's how the factory design pattern works. So over here, as you can see, we have that notification interface, that these email notification service and SMS, all these services implements. And now what we have is a factory that's responsible for creating the service of our need. All right. So here is the email notification factory that implements the notification factory, and this create service method will be returning the notification service instance. So now, using this approach, we follow the open close principle, as well as now the client will be able to easily get the service of their need by simply just calling the factory. So that this way, suppose if there is a new service called app notifications, so that for that service we can just simply create an app notification service factory, and then the client will be able to use that as well without even editing the previous code. So now suppose there is a scenario where we have a different kind of notification service. There is a variation in email notification service itself. So this is not just a simple email notification service anymore. This is like a high priority email service or something like that, where we just give a lot of text to the user or something like that. Or maybe it's just as advanced SMS notification service or a advanced push notification service, where we uh, we like we alert the user with some kind of like high priority notifications. All right. So for that, we can do that using this factory method easily by creating a advanced email notification factory. And but this will clutter our code, so we will be creating a lot of factories that will in the end clutter our code. So to fix that issue, we can use abstract factory that combines all the related products into a single factory. So there could be multiple factories families of factories that will be reproducing similar type of products. For example, we can combine all these services, email notification, SMS notification and push notification, into a simple, and then when we introduce an advanced one, we can put all of them under a advanced notification service factory. All right, so we can see that in this image as well. So there is a common factory, and now then there is a factory family B, and then a factory family A which implements these factories. So in the factory family A, we can think of this as the advanced or the simple notification service factory, and this we can think of as advanced notification service factory. And all of these implements a product interface as well. We can think of this as advanced notification service and a simple notification service. And now these factories will be creating the factory of families will be creating those products. Earlier, each of these products have their own specific factory. Now this family will be able to create those products easily. So let's go to the abstract factory code. So in this, you can see that there is a notification one. This is a simple notification. Now there is an abstract notification factory. All right, so now what we can do is we have created the we have created the simple email notification product, simple SMS notification, and the simple by implementing the simple one. So these are the simple ones. And now we have also introduced a pop-up notification. All right, a simple one just for the explanation. And now there is these advanced email notification services. All right, so we have all these products that are created using these two. And now this is that abstract family interface that has the methods for create email notification, create SMS notification, and create all. Now what we can do is, like, we have two different kind of products, right? So we can have two different kind of factory that produces those similar kind of products basically. So this all the simple notification services will go under this simple notification factory, and all the advanced notification services will goes under this one, and all of these factories will be implementing that notification factory. All right, so now we have the scripts, we have the same methods in both of these, but they will be returning the advanced or the simple based on the client request. So now in the client code, so our client will be able to use the simple factory by just simply calling the simple factory, and then he just simply have to call the method dot create email notification, and he will get an object of that email notification service. And similarly, if the client has asked for an advanced notification factory, so now the client will easily be able to call these methods to create a SMS notification, advanced SMS notification, advanced push notification, this way. So with this factory, we can combine the related type of products into a family of factories. So that's how we can avoid making our code cluttered. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.